What's going on, everybody? It's me, Peyton from Judgment Day Fitness, and that is Gracie back there. She is also part of the Judgment Day Fitness team, and now you are too because you clicked on the video, and you should go ahead and subscribe to be more part of the team and like the video and comment on the video at the end of the video if you have any questions. Just do it, okay? It's a good idea. 7 years of good luck if you do. So if you're having issues with being skinny fat, have no fear. Peyton from Judgment Day Fitness is here. I'm going to break down what skinny fat is and how to get out of that skinny fat phase into the next better version of yourself. So let's get started on that right about now. Alright, so let's start this video off by simply establishing what skinny fat is. I feel like the term is used very loosely. So skinny fat is where you just have like not much muscle and you have a little bit of fat. I feel like anyone gets like a little bit of fat and they're like, oh my gosh, I'm skinny fat. So let's just figure this out right here. This right here is fat, this right here is skinny, and this in the middle is skinny fat. Me personally, I'm just muscle fat because I am bulking right now. Alright, so we established what skinny fat is. That's fantastic. If you fit into this category, this video is for you. If you do not, I still have a solution. Go ahead and subscribe because in the next few weeks, I just decided that I will go over how to make body transformations, aka from fat to skinny, from skinny to fat, just whatever your situation is. So go ahead and subscribe anyways. Alright, now let's start off by going over the type of exercise and training that you need to be doing in order to fix this whole skinny fat situation. But let me establish something. This will apply to both men and women. The same desired results will come out of training like this. Women, I promise you, will not be like super huge and muscular, because I know not many women really want that. So this will fix this whole skinny fat situation. Also, I do customized workout programs that will be based around your schedule and your fitness goals. I've had great results so far with the people I've tested it on, and I would love to help you guys as well. So my email will be in the description below along with my Instagram and Twitter. Message me on there with the first sentence being, or the subject being customized workout program, and I will get back to you. Eventually I'm transitioning into online fitness coaching, which just involves diet and exercise as well, but we're not there yet. When I am, I'll let you guys know, but that's just an offer I'm going to put out there for you guys, and I'm still going to give you the advice today. Alright, so the first thing to go over is cardio. Should you be doing it? Should you not be doing it? How much? What type of cardio? I got y'all, I got the answers, okay? So what you should be doing is definitely cardio, but a big mistake that people make when they're trying to get rid of skinny fat is they don't bother with the weight training and they just try to get rid of fat immediately, and so they just go to the gym for hours at a time and they become cardio bunnies on the treadmill or on the cycles or on the, the Stairmaster for long periods of time, and that's great. That will help you lose calories and stuff, but we're trying to meet in the middle here and progress from there. So what you want to do is you want to do something called HIIT cardio, H-I-I-T, which stands for high intensity interval training. It saves time, it's more effective, and it's just better in general unless you like running or something, which I don't. I really don't. So what you would do is, let's say it's 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. What you're going to do is you're going to, let's say it's sprints, you're going to be sprinting as hard as you can, as fast as you can for 30 seconds, and then you take a 30-second break, and then you do it again. So do about like 10 minutes of HIIT cardio before every gym session. That would be my suggestion, or maybe on your off days, and you will see results. Alright, so the second thing you need to do is what type of weight training. Weight training was obviously a given. We're gonna lift some weights here, okay? And this applies to men and women. I will stress that again. This does apply to men and women, okay? Now, what type of weight training do you want to do? You want to do heavy weightlifting because it's fun, first of all, and second of all, it's most effective. We don't need those 5-pound weights and be like, okay guys, let's get some bicep curls. No, that's not what's going on here. We need heavy weights, okay? I'm talking bench press, I'm talking deadlifts and squats. Heavy weights, and that way, by losing fat through your HIIT training and your diet, you will meet in the middle. Now again, girls, do not worry. You have estrogen and you lack testosterone. It's a biological thing. I'm not being sexist here. So therefore, you will not become like some super swole girl. You know, I promise it's not going to happen. Guys, this is what will happen for you if you follow heavy weight training and HIIT cardio and the diet tips I'm about to give you next. What will happen is you will meet in the middle and you'll become buff, and then you can go from there and get more buff. Alright, so the third, final, and maybe most dreaded thing to go over is your diet, okay? So first thing I want to tell you guys is start eating healthy if you're not already. Skinny fat is probably achieved through like Tostina's pizza rolls and, you know, just whatever, a lot of unhealthy stuff. Now, by eating healthy, I say stick as close to the ground as you can, you know, aside from bread and stuff. So like, you know, fruits, vegetables, meats, you know, fish, steak, chicken, stuff like that. That's what you want to stick with. And of course, it doesn't have to be as close to the ground as possible for it to be super healthy. Just try and stay away from, my personal advice, try and stay away from the fried stuff, the stuff with a lot of sugar in it when it's super processed as well. try and stay away from as much as you can. And also in terms of diet, you know, it doesn't have to be 100% healthy if you want to have a good body. Try and make 90% of what you eat healthy, and you will be able to maintain a good body. Alright, so we've already established eating healthy, which was kind of a given. But how much should you be eating? And you should be eating your maintenance calorie level. And I'll show you guys how to find that in a second, I promise. But you don't want to be eating too little, because then you won't be able to gain any muscle. You don't want to be eating too much, because then you'll be gaining muscle, but you'll also be adding to the fat. So you want to be eating your maintenance calorie level, and the exercise will take care of getting rid of fat and bringing up muscle. It'll balance each other out. It'll cancel out like PEMDAS, you know. Alright, so now to establish what your maintenance calorie level should be, I got y'all. Hold on for a second. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh myself. Now, I already ate today, but what you should do when you weigh yourself is you need to wake up in the morning, go to the bathroom, and then weigh yourself. That's going to be a constant. So every day you'll be in the same condition when you weigh yourself while you're tracking your weight. So with the camera weighs like 1.5 pounds. I'm going to go ahead and step on the scale right now. Alright, let's see what we got here. We got, what is that, 175 pounds. Okay, now let's do this on the board. I am 175 pounds. Now you're going to take that number and you're going to multiply it from anywhere, by anywhere from 12 to 16 based on how active your lifestyle is. Now, I would say my lifestyle is pretty active, so I'm going to multiply it by 15. I don't work out every day, but I do get my workouts in. So I'm going to multiply it by 15. That is 2,625 calories. Now, that means that if I want to stay the weight I am, with my exercise included, you know, I need to be consuming 2,625 calories a day. Now, if you want to bulk, you go up 500 calories. If you want to cut, you want to go down 500 calories. But for us, we are going at maintenance level. Right now, if you're counting macros, your protein intake needs to be anywhere from 0.8 to 1.0 grams of protein per body weight. So I'm 175 pounds. So my protein intake should be around 175 grams of protein per day. If you're not counting macros, then you just need to shoot for a high amount of protein consumption every single day. Alright, so I know what you're probably thinking. Hey Peyton, I can't count calories. Relax, I probably couldn't either if I tried doing it without the Myfitnesspal app, which I will show you guys right now. Here's a screenshot of it. Download the app and they will count your calories for you. You can scan barcodes of food, and it's really customizable, really easy. You should definitely check it out. It will tell you how many calories you need to be eating to maintain, cut, or bulk. But we're going for maintain, remember. So check that app out and it will be very helpful to you. I think it will be, at least. There's only one way to find out. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. I really wish it was, but it's not. Alright, so that's going to wrap up this video. Before you leave, go check out the merch, description below, Beast by Design. More designs coming soon as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you wouldn't mind. My Instagram, Twitter, and the Facebook Fit Forum are linked in the description below, along with my email if you're interested in coaching. I already gave the instructions for that earlier, or a customized workout program, sorry. So go check that out if you're interested, or just in general, just go check it out, you know, or 7 years of good luck. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys next time. Have a great day.